Hi guys, I was gonna post a short video here talking about my Ninebot 1 Z10 that had a leak in the tire. And at first I thought the tire had a hole in it. That's the reason I was leaking, but I actually found out that's not the case. Got a little flashlight here. I'll show you guys. You see the valve right there? It doesn't have a cap on it, and the reason is because you can't get your hand in here to unscrew the cap. So when you have it over here to put air in it, you just attach it straight to the top of the valve stem. And when I do a lot of trail riding, so if you do any trail riding, sand or dirt gets in there into that valve, and so when you attach that extension on there and check the air or add air to the tire, sometimes I'm guessing some sand or a little grain of sand gets stuck in there and makes the valve leak. This is the valve core that's inside of the valve. It's a little O-ring here, like a rubber to make a seal, I guess, when you put air in it. This is the one that came out of my Z10. I ended up going to the auto parts store. I bought some valve cores, less than $2, and exchanged the old core with just a new one, and it's been sitting there for 3 days and it's still holding air, no problems. Another thing I want to mention here, since I had your attention, is this extension that came with my Ninebot. You put this through here and you screw it in, and then you add air to it. On this side of this extension has nothing. It's like an empty hole in there. So as soon as I screw it on, air would just flow out, and it was kind of useless. So I ended up using one of my older ones that I had from my other Ninebot. So I've been using this all the time. Now I ended up going to the auto parts store and I bought these valve extenders. Cost like $2. They look like this, and this will screw into that open end just like this. And now once I attach this to my valve here, I can just add air, and this obviously will close the air from escaping from the tire as I'm putting air in it. So this was a cheap fix. So if you guys that have a Z10 have the same type that came with mine, this is a cheap fix to have it fixed. Well, that's it. That's my air leak problem fixed on my Ninebot 1 Z10. So whoever has a Z10, good idea before you check the air in the tire, or you add air to the tire. Make sure there's no dirt in that valve before you do that, or else you might have a leak just like I did. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like if you like the video. Have a nice day.